Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be installing a frontal straight wig from CarinaHair. So the package came with some goodies inside, and guys, this wig has a very clean hairline and the knots are well bleached. Guys, the melt game of this wig is 100% because lace net melts very well to the skin. The texture of this hair is very beautiful and also very original. The length of this hair is 22 inches, the color is natural color, and the package came with a true scalp tape. I will demonstrate how to use this tape in this video. So the wig has two wig combs at the front and one wig comb at the back. It also has adjustable band for proper fitting. Guys, I'll just go ahead and drop the link of this unit in the description box. So let's just go ahead with the installation.
Hey desire, burning like a fire. What you gonna do when it crumbles down? Watch it get higher, down to the wire. Will you let it burn till we almost drown? Higher, goodbye, honey, where do we lie? Where you're headed, am I going there too? I don't wanna ask why, wanna give this a try with you. And if you wanna go, I'll follow. I won't let you go alone, 'cause it's a big pill to swallow, but you won't do it on your own. And if you wanna go, I'll follow. I won't let you go alone. I don't care what happens now, where we go, how far and how. If you wanna go, I'll follow. You go. Your heart set, I don't wanna jump half-hearted. Gotta get your feet wet, gotta give what you get. I don't wanna finish where we started. Like the river flowing, tell me where we're going. Take me to a place that's brand new. Every second growing, time feels like it's slowing with you. And if you wanna go, I'll follow. I won't let you go. sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to say tonight again. And hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts. So jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. I wanna run away with you. Let's run away together. Let's run away. Let's run away together. Let's run away. Swear we'd never say goodbye. Fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never find. And what is right and what is wrong, and all I ever saw was love. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to say the night again. And hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts. So jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Wait another day to clear my thoughts. So jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Hey, desire, burning like a fire. What you gonna do when it crumbles down? Watch it get higher, down to the wire. Will you let it burn till we almost drown? Higher, goodbye, honey.
So guys, this is what the end result looks like, and you will agree with me that this hair is giving everything it is supposed to give. It melted perfectly well to my skin even without glue. So don't forget that all of the details of this unit is available in the description box. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in my next tutorial. Bye.
And if you wanna go